PCCD and OVS want to better inform and educate the field with the OVS consolidated standards. Pennsylvania has long been considered a leader when it comes to these operational standards that are designed to maintain quality services and programming delivered by skilled advocates and staff. The standards are meant to be a guide to VSPs for best practices and excellent service delivery, provide minimum expectations for VSPs, and ensure uniformity of service delivery across the Commonwealth. The standards provide the minimum expectations of victim service delivery and ensure professionalism of the victim services field. PCCD and OVS has launched a series of recordings that will walk program staff through our standards. These will be short recordings, up to 30 minutes in length, posted on PCCD's YouTube channel. The OVS newsletter will announce new recordings as they are available. A prior recording called Introduction to PCCD Consolidated Standards is available on PCCD's YouTube channel. PCCD recommends listening to the introductory recording if you have not already done so. In this recording, we will highlight the Criminal or Juvenile Case Status Standard adopted by the Victim Service Advisory Committee, VSAC, in 2025. Programs who have PCCD as their oversight entity will need to have a criminal or juvenile case status policy and procedure in place. Following this training, the program staff contact assigned to your grant can help answer individual questions about this standard in relation to your projects. The core standard for criminal or juvenile case status states that VSPs shall provide victims with accurate and up-to-date information concerning the status of their case. The VSP shall have a procedure to keep or have access to records or files with updated case status information. The VSP shall have a written procedure in which staff respond to case status inquiries in a timely manner. The general practice is to respond within 72 business hours. The VSP shall provide information on the process in which cases proceed through the criminal or juvenile justice systems. This requirement works in tandem with the court orientation standard. The VSP shall have a procedure to cross-reference and help identify potential conflicts with victims, offenders, witnesses, and/or defendants. In this slide, we offer examples and recommendations for maintenance of and access to records. Victims' files are to be kept in a secured file cabinet. Electronic records, example ETO database, must be secured as well. Be sure that appropriate systems are in place for proper access, security, and storage for victims' records. Keeping updated records. Victim records must be updated as the case proceeds through the criminal and juvenile system. Verify contact information at each victim interaction to ensure the record is accurate. Timely response to victims' inquiries. Provide timely information and response to all victim or witness inquiries. We suggest responding within 72 business hours of receipt. Identify conflicts. Cross-reference names in available databases and list to verify that no conflict exists. This may need to be done at multiple intervals throughout the life of the criminal or juvenile case. Provide information on how cases proceed in courts. Create brochures and pamphlets, which may include court-related diagrams, flowcharts, and terminology. Let victims know of schedule or logistical changes, example, continuances, reassignments, etc. Provide a court orientation, help victims understand their role in the court process, assist victims with their questions and inquiries, equip and empower them to give testimony. VSPs can establish a contact person in each police department, magisterial district judge's office, juvenile probation, and the district attorney's office to obtain case status information. Please email or call the program staff contact assigned to your grant with any questions. Thank you.